Guys, doing another video, and it's Nair. It's like I hit the poof, man. I don't know where that came from, but it's Nair, and this is a chugging video, and now I can actually time it with my phone, because I actually got my phone now free, because I don't use it anymore. Now, I'm going to set you up, hopefully. I don't know what I can't see the screen display. It's actually on the back side, so hopefully you guys can see me. This is actually kind of weird. I've never actually looked at like a camera lens, like a literal camera lens. And yeah, so you could tell by the title, but this, I don't know when this is gonna come out. I'm actually pre-recording this video. Might as well. This is actually my first energy drink chug because I had some of these and stuff, and I wasn't gonna drink this or do a chug on specifically this drink, but I'm actually going to, cause might as well. I have some, and this is actually Mountain Dew Energy Rise, or it just says Mountain Dew Energy. Never mind. They had an energy drink called Rise, but I guess this is they're changing the name. This is actually this flavor, Strawberry Melon Spark. This flavor is pretty good. This is actually the only flavor I've actually ever had, because they didn't have any other flavors in, so I had to get this. But yeah, let me get my phone ready. And if you can hear my voice actually echoing, I have no fans on. It's like freezing outside. It's snowing and all kinds of stuff, and yeah, it's really bad outside right now. Timer. Clock, timer. Stopwatch. I need a stopwatch. A timer. I don't need a timer. I need a stopwatch. So I'm going to be trying to do this without burping. Oh, I love that noise, man. I love that. Like that noise, yeah. That's a scrumdiddlyumptious. Okay, man. Anyway, this is my first actual like talked to you video on this camera. I don't know when this is gonna actually come out. Probably, if you didn't know, I'm going to actually inform you in this video that, because I think I'm gonna upload this maybe on the 1st of March, or maybe not the 1st of March, but close to March. I'm actually gonna take a little break in March. I'm gonna like upload very little in March, and yeah, just informing you guys that, so this video is probably going to come out at the end of February or the beginning of March. I don't know when this video is going to come out or when I'm going to upload it. Maybe it'll come out tomorrow, maybe it'll come out 2 days from now. Don't know. Anyway, this is my first energy drink chug. Chugging energy drinks is probably not the best. But yeah, I want to do some energy drink chugs. Very little though, because it's very dangerous, very not good for you. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm actually pausing. I'm gonna pause that. Okay, we're gonna say, nah, let's not pause it. Okay, so I'm gonna try to hurry up so the timer doesn't keep going. This actually has not been in the fridge or the freezer, and this is cold. That's how cold this room is. It made this cold. It made it cold. Let me check if you guys are, if I'm still recording. Okay. I am. I'm still recording. I had to make sure. 40 seconds, 41 seconds in. Okay, I need to get going. We'll go sipping a while. He's sipping fake drop. Okay. See you, buddy. this actually tastes different than any other energy drink I've ever had. Weird enough. Ooh, my stomach kind of hurt. Woke up, sip. Oh, almost fell in there. I need to stop doing that, man. Keep the burping. Keep the burping. Oh. Whew. I'm timing myself even though I'm not trying to get fast. I'm just seeing how long it's going to take. I've never actually timed myself. There's like a last sip, but I feel like I'm going to burp now. Empty. Two minutes and 37 seconds and 73 milliseconds. I think that was a burp, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. I want an audible burp, an audible burp, an audible burp. I should burp. I thought this was not going to be bad because this is actually not as bad as some energy drinks. A lot of energy drinks I drink. And this was not super, I don't know. Definitely heard that. But yeah, I'm just going to clear the stopwatch. I'm gonna say I won that. I think I had bursts of air, maybe burps, I don't know. Okay, you decide in the comments if anybody wants to comment. Might not even get any comments. Comment down below your opinion. Did I burp? Because I felt air coming up, but I don't know if I want to consider that burps, okay? So, I want you to decide in the comments, did I burp or not? Did I win or not? But yeah, this is, so this is the end of the video. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on, and share to at least one friend. It helps me a lot. And, yeah. When this uploads, just know, like I said, I'm taking a kind of a break, in March. I'm not going to upload every day. It's going to be I'll maybe upload like 3 days in a row, 2 days in a row, and then not upload for like 5 days. Just like, it's kind of a break. I don't really need one. I'm just going to do it just because I feel like maybe I should maybe. I don't know. So, should I or should I not? I'm still deciding, but I think I'm going to, but nope, I just burped. Never mind, you don't have to decide, because I just burped, so it doesn't really matter. So,